What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to check your battery health using Ampre app, if your battery needs a replacement or not. So to check that, first of all open Play Store. Now go to the search bar and search for Ampre app. Now install this Ampre app and then tap on open, and from here you can check the battery health of your battery. So you can swipe left or right to check the information in different themes. So that's how you can check the battery health using Ampre app in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.